If you really want to know how much Allah loves you, then what you have to do is you have to see how are you utilizing the time that Allah has given you. If Allah loves you na, then Allah Ta'ala takes your time and Allah Ta'ala makes you do things that are loved to Allah. ठीक है, मतलब ना आप रोज़ा रखेंगे, आप नमाज़ पढ़ेंगे टाइम पे, आप कुरान पढ़ेंगे, आप तस्बीह पढ़ेंगे, यू विल गिव इन चैरिटी, यू विल बिकम काइंड, यू विल बी हम्बल. जब भी आप कोई गुनाह करोगे तो आपको फट से रियलाइज़ होगा कि मेरे से कोई गलती हो गई है, एंड यू विल हैव दैट गिल्ट फीलिंग, and you'll feel like doing good deeds. You'll start being away from guna, and you'll start praying nafil prayers, you'll start fasting, and there are so many things. You'll try and improve yourself, you'll try to become a better person, you'll be helpful to others, you'll be kind, you'll try to suppress your anger. मतलब कभी गुस्सा आ गया, पहले कैसे फटाफट जवाब देते थे, तो अभी आप थोड़ा सा ना पॉज करोगे, थोड़ा सोचोगे जवाब देने से पहला, बिकॉज यू नो दैट आई एम गोना अटर सम नॉनसेंस, एंड देन यू विल थिंक ट्वाइस बिफोर अब्यूजिंग. अगर आप बहुत गालियाँ देते थे एंड सडनली यू स्टॉप्ड एंड सडनली यू आर इम्प्रूविंग, सो दैट्स द रहमत and that's the mercy of Allah on you. And this is how Allah uses your time for Allah's work. So whenever you're in doubt, so you see how you are living your life, मतलब ना, how are you pleasing Allah, in what all ways are you pleasing Allah. So it's very important to make the best use of the time you have, to help people, help animals around you. Someone is in need and you can help that person, please help, because that's the way Allah looks at you. That Allah has sent that person to you, and Allah is watching you, whether if you're capable of helping and you still don't help, you still ignore, maybe because you're not in the mood, or it's not Ramzan, or you just don't feel like, but you still do it for the sake of Allah. So all these things matter so much. So always utilize your time. Don't sit scrolling reels and playing games and wasting time sitting chilling with friends and all. You will lose so many hours and you won't even come to know when you have lost that kind of time, because the Holy Quran says that Allah Ta'ala कहते हैं उसमें कि ना, I have purchased the life and property of the people who I am going to मतलब जिनको मैं जन्नत में डालूँगा. I've purchased their lives and property, in short. So basically when you give from your wealth, and when you help people, when you heal people, when you try and understand, it's not only financially, but even when you're angry and you keep quiet, when someone is very disturbed and that person wants to talk to you, and you sit and you listen to that person, and कभी किसी चिड़िया को दाना डाल दिया, पानी डाल दिया, कभी cats and dogs are there is leftover food, you put it in a nice plastic plate or paper plate and you give it to them in a very decent manner. So all these things are counted. Even if you feed the ants, even that is counted. How you are with the plants, आते जाते फूल तोड़ दिया, पत्ते तोड़ दिए, ऐसे ही बस मस्ती में. So all these things are basically being noted down. So just see how you live your life. How much Allah loves you.